Hello glamours and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming future videos. For this DIY, I'll be designing a vase to go around a pool area for a friend of mine. I went on Pinterest for inspiration and I came across these beautiful and unique stone floor vases. If you would like to find out how I created my very own floor vase using pool noodles, just continue watching. To start off, I'll be using 3 plastic 1-pound coffee containers. 2 of the containers I'll be cutting holes on the bottom and I'll be keeping the lid on the other. Next, I'll be cutting out the holes of the containers using my burning hot tool 1 inch away from the edges. I will have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Next, I grab a brick from my backyard and I'll be using my strongest adhesive and hot glue, and I'll be placing the brick inside the container that has still the bottom. For the remainder of the video, I'll be using Gorilla Glue Stick for a stronger hold. Once my brick was nicely snugged in, I'll be using hot glue to glue on the lid. Next, I'll start stacking the next 2 containers using my strongest adhesive and hot glue. Once I was done, I'll place a heavy item on top and let it dry overnight. Next, I'll be using display cardboard and I'll be taking my measurements and cutting out half-shaped moons. To create my half-shaped moons, I'll be using a 20-inch platter. And here are my measurements. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms for upcoming DIYs and giveaways. I will have them linked below. Next, I'll start gluing on my half-shaped moon cutouts. First, I will glue 4 in a crisscross position. Next, I will start gluing the rest of the cutouts 1 inch apart from each other. Next, I'll be using 4 pool noodles and I'll start cutting them in half so I'll have a set of 2. Once I was done, I'll start applying hot glue in the center and then I'll start gluing them onto the edges of each half moon cutout. I'll continue gluing them on every other. Once that was done, I'll start by gluing on the rest and squeezing the ends for a tight fit. Next, I'll take it to a well-ventilated area and I'll spray paint 3 coats of white, including in between the gaps. Next, I'll be using mirror reflection dessert spoons and I'll start by snapping off the heads and applying the heads with hot glue around the rim of the vase. I will cover up the rest of the edges using mirror reflection ribbon. Next, I'll continue gluing on dessert spoon heads in a staggered position. I also took the platter and spray painted white, and then I glued on 2 covers of spray cans underneath to prevent the tray from sliding. Next, I'll take 2 strips of poster boards that I already cut to size and I'll be taping them together, and then I'll be covering them with mirror reflection tape. Once that was done, I'll start gluing it on the bottom inner side of the tray. The spray can covers will prevent the tray from sliding off. I will glue on dessert spoon heads 3 inches apart on the outer edge of the tray. Here is the finished look. I really do love the way this vase turned out to be placed in a pool area with long stems. What I love the most is that it turns into a side table for your pool area that you can place beverages, candles, or anything you like. I will have other videos linked below where I use pool noodles and coffee containers to create glamorous pieces. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I enjoyed making it. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Please like and share with family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Comment if you wish. Turn on your notification bells for more upcoming future videos. Stay strong and healthy, and I'll see you real soon.